Good afternoon. We came from Telangana state. We are taking a panel discussion on encouragement of alternative energy resources by reducing the use of fossil fuels. Day by day, the fossil fuels are increasing day by day the usage. So, like coal, petroleum, etc., and etc. By this over usage, they may leads to the depletion. What happens by the over usage? They release carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. They spoiling the environment, particularly by polluting the air. So there is a need to reduce the use of fossil fuels and let us shift to the alternative renewable energy resources. Srinivas Reddy sir, let us explain some alternative renewable energy resources.
Sure, sir. There are many alternate energy resources. One of them is solar energy. Solar energy is a renewable form of energy which which can be
Repeat it.
which can be generated from the sunlight. As our country is in tropical and subtropical region of the continent, we have excess sunlight throughout the year. Over many days we are having a sunlight. This sunlight can be utilized and solar energy can be generated. Solar energy will become alternate resource for replacing the conventional energy sources such as fossil fuels. Solar energy is pollution free.
Well said, sir. Solar energy is abundantly useful to us to renew non-renewable to place renewable energy. So, Balaji sir, can you explain other renewable energy resources?
Sure. Our country has vast area of plain and hills, which are source of wind power. By establishing simple structure like windmills, we can produce wind power. These windmills can convert power of wind into other form of energy like electricity. This wind power is renewable and non-pollution.
Well said, sir. Rangaraju sir, can you explain some other alternate renewable energy resources?
Yes, sir. Hydroelectricity with the help of tides. Our country has longest coastal area. As we know, our country is a peninsula. At three sides it is covered with sea waters. One side Bay of Bengal, other side Arabian Sea, and other side Indian Ocean. These oceans generally huge and strong tides come out. With the using those tides, we can generate hydroelectricity, which is free from pollution and which is renewable.
Well said, sir. Well said, Rangaraju sir. Sir, Manikirti sir, is there other any renewable resources?
Yeah, in addition to these three, solar energy, wind energy and tidal energy, in addition to these three, the other alternative energy resources are also there. So one among the is biofuels. Biofuels is a fuel which can be generated by living organisms like plants, animals and microorganisms can be also exploited in the generation of energy. Nowadays, ethanol is an alternative energy resource. It can be produced from starch and sugar of maize, sugarcane, sugar beet and from waste also this ethanol can be generated. This is a very good alternative energy resource for conventional energy sources like petrol and diesel. And in addition to this, biodiesel is also a very good renewable energy resources. It can be produced from the seeds of Pongamia, and seeds of Jatropha can be also used, and some microbes like algae and bacteria and anaerobic bacteria can be also used in the production of biofuels. And the last not the least, and geothermal power is also one of them. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Manika Reddy sir. So let us take initiatives to reduce the use of fossil fuels, and let us shift to increase the use of alternative renewable energy resources which can cause pollution free and safe environment. Thank you very much. Thank you, Virendal, and thank you from Telangana team.
Thank you.